Today we are going to talk about WPSubscription, a platform designed to help you launch WooCommerce subscriptions in minutes. Many small business owners and online store managers struggle to set up recurring payment products because configuring subscriptions manually can be complicated and time consuming. WP subscription is built to simplify this process, allowing you to create, manage, and sell subscription products on WooCommerce quickly and easily. In this video, I will explain what WP subscription is, its key features, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works on AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and we make e-commerce tools easier to understand and help you to sell online smarter using simple methods and technology. If this type of content is helpful for you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link in the description to explore WP subscription and any available lifetime offers. When you use the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to enter any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, WP subscription is a WooCommerce plugin that allows you to sell subscription products or services or memberships without needing advanced technical skills. Instead of struggling with complex setup or multiple plugins, you can configure the recurring payments and subscription rules quickly. One of the most useful features is easy subscription setup. You can define product, choose payment intervals, and launch the subscriptions in minutes. This makes it simple to start recurring revenue streams without delays. Another important feature is automated billing. Once a subscription is active, WP subscription handles recurring payment automatically. It reduces manual tracking, missed payments, and follow-ups. The platform also supports flexible subscription plans. You can offer weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annual billing options, and even allow the upgrades, downgrades, or cancellations. This gives you customers flexibility and improves retention. Another helpful feature is integration with WooCommerce. WP subscription works directly with your existing WooCommerce store, payment gateway, and product catalog. So you don't need to rebuild your store or change existing setups. WP subscription is especially useful for online store owners, small businesses, digital product seller, and service providers who want to add subscription offering and generate predictable recurring revenue. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. WP subscription is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access to the plugin. This is ideal for anyone who wants subscription functionality without recurring fees. The first year, which is $69, that is usually suitable for small stores. It allows you to create a limited number of subscription products and manage basic recurring billing, which is enough for starting out. The next year is actually better for growing stores. You can create more subscription products, enable flexible billing options, and manage a larger customer base efficiently. The higher tier plan is designed for the larger stores or agencies. This plan offers unlimited website, unlimited subscription products, advanced featuring, and priority support. That gives you full flexibility for any WooCommerce business. If you want to launch subscription products quickly, automate recurring payments, and increase revenue, WP subscription can be a smart tool to explore. You can check the lifetime deal through the description link and any available benefits that will be applied automatically. Overall, WP subscription is a beginner-friendly and powerful WooCommerce plugin that helps online store owners manage subscriptions efficiently, save time, and generate predictable revenue streams. So that's it basically for today's video about WP subscription and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.